Hello everyone, I'm Ananya. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing good. So as you guys might have already guessed from the title, so today we are going to discuss about patience and perseverance. So without wasting any more time, let's hop on right into the video. Patience, the most crucial yet tough to achieve. Perseverance, the continuity of your efforts regardless of the circumstances. And when you combine these two, there's nothing in this world you cannot achieve. Guys, every one of us gets upset and annoyed very quickly, and most of us lack patience. And due to this, we often make rushed decisions. I understand that it's not easy to stay patient every time. But look, guys, you cannot achieve success in one day. Achieving your goals requires a lot of time and perseverance towards it, and also a lot of patience. Okay, let's take some examples. Tell me, do you get to see the tree as soon as you sow the seeds? Did you reach the current stage of your life as soon as you were born? Did you give your exams as soon as you took admission? Or did you get promoted as soon as you get into that grade? The answer to all these questions is a big no. Look, guys, by now you might have got the idea that everything takes its own time. You cannot get what you want in the wink of an eye. Everything in this world takes time. See, guys, patience is the most essential factor in achieving success. It helps you in taking right and accurate decisions because without patience, you would get irritated frequently and quickly. And in order to achieve your goals, you need to be calm and composed at all times. I know you cannot acquire patience in one day, and in fact, it's quite impossible to do so. But it is stated that patience can help you in attaining a happy and healthy life, as it helps in avoiding unnecessary stress, anger, and annoyance. But, guys, along with patience, perseverance is important too. Patience plays a crucial role in achieving your goals, while being persistent comes along with it. See, it's quite simple. You cannot be lethargic all the time and achieve success. You have to work persistently towards it in order to achieve it. You must have heard this wise saying: a person can cross a mountain or can level it to the ground by patience, perseverance, which means that a person can overcome the greatest difficulties by patience and perseverance. Now let's talk facts. See, whenever we begin any work, it seems quite fun and easy, but along with time, when we are faced with obstacles and difficulties, we panic and lose patience. And the weak minded people also take these obstacles as failures and they do not make any further efforts. See, guys, it's life and you will face difficulties, but that does not mean that you'd stop putting efforts. We have to be patient, but mere patience is not enough. We must persevere in our efforts to achieve our goals and desires. Because, see, no matter how intelligent or smart you are, if you lack patience and perseverance, these qualities of yours are of no use. Let's just take some common examples. Think of the scientists, authors, in fact, the celebrities. Do you think they would have succeeded the research, or they got their books published, or they got the fame without being patient and without their perseverance? No, right? No matter in what field we are or what goals we have, we can achieve success only when we are patient and only when we try again and again and again until our goals are achieved. Let the difficulties come, let the obstacles block your way. All of these will be reduced to nothing by the strong but steady force of patience and perseverance. So, guys, be patient and be persistent in whatever you are trying to achieve, and you shall achieve it. Because this too shall pass. Okay, so guys, that was all for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, do comment what other topics you want me to discuss. I would love to go through your comments, and I'll be posting my videos on every Friday and Sunday at 6:30 p.m. So do give it a watch and do not forget to hit the bell button to get notified every time I post a new video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy and stay positive. Let's get it. Love you guys. Bye.